Okay, so next chapter, partial derivative. Partial derivatives. Derivatives. So, first of all, replace the partial derivatives. Okay, derivatives. Okay, y equals to, if y equal to f of x. Okay, then what is dy by dx? Derivative dy by dx or f dash x. Okay, by first standard is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. It's like the first term derivative f dash x, f of x plus h increment. Only one variable here, x plus h2, x original function, f of x plus h upon h increment is a first term derivative. Now partial derivative, see what is difference. Okay, let z equals to f of xy, two variable. Partial derivative, two variable. Here only one variable, only x variable, one variable derivative. Partial derivative, two variables, respect to s and respect to y. So f is a function of x and y, two variable. So be a function. Okay, then partial derivative. So dy by ds derivative, partial derivative del f by del x. Symbol difference. So derivative dy by ds, d symbol here, del. Okay, del symbol will be limit. So now in place of h, I use here delta x and delta y. Two increments are here, h increment. In place of h, okay, delta x, okay, increment. So limit delta x tends to 0 of f of x plus delta x, comma y same minus original function, like here original function upon increment. Delta x increment, here h increment, okay, h increment. Okay, so here okay, delta x will be increment. So respect to x plus delta x will be changing, y will be same, respect to x y remains same. Secondly, del f by del y then limit delta y tends to 0. Okay, respect to x, respect to y then now y change, x same now, y plus delta y minus f of xy upon delta y, increment delta y. So respect to x variable changing, y remains same. Respect to y, x remains same, y will be changing. So respect to x, delta x, respect to y. Okay, these are the partial derivatives. So partial derivative, two variables. Derivative, only one variables. Also here, short symbol is f suffix x is a symbol for del f by del x, f suffix x. This is symbol f suffix y, fy. Higher derivatives also, higher partial derivatives. Okay, so del x of del f by del x, that will be what? Del square f del x square, or short symbol f x ex. Positive f respect to x two times, so x. Okay, also del x of del f by del y will be also, that is del square f del x del y, that is f y first and then x. etc. All derivatives. Okay, now problems on this first derivatives. If u equals to x square into tan inverse y by x minus y square into tan inverse x upon y, tan inverse y by x and tan inverse x by y. Then question, prove that del square u del x del y will be equals to x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. Given to you, if u equals to x square into tan inverse y by x minus y square into tan inverse x by y. Now I want del square u del x del y. So first respect to y, then respect to x. So partial differentiate with respect to y first of all. Del u by del y respect to y. So respect to y, x remains constant, and respect to x, y remains constant. So respect to y, x square will be same. Del y of this. Second, del y of this. Y here also y, here also y. So product law, both the variables. Okay, will be product law. Respect to y, x remains constant, and respect to x, y remains constant. So here respect to y, x will be outside, but here product law, both the terms are y. Here also y, here also y. So product law. So respect to y apply derivative of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x, first of all formula 1 upon 1 plus x square. Here y upon x square into derivative of y by x with respect to y. Y by x respect to y. Respect to y again, x remains constant, denominator. Derivative of y respect to y 1. Here product law, y square same, tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus whole square into derivative of x upon y with respect to y. So x remains same, first of all respect to x. Derivative of 1 upon y minus 1 upon y square. Then derivative of y square 2y. This now same. X cancel. So only 1x. Now this LCM, x square denominator, x square here, x square plus y square minus, open the bracket, minus and minus plus, first term x upon, also here whole square, y square denominator, y square here plus x square minus and minus plus 2y tan inverse x upon y. So this comes to the numerator, x square or ax means total x cube, x square plus y square. This comes to numerator again, x or y square. here x square plus y square. This now same term, so denominator common, x square plus y square, addition of this, and here x is common, x square or y square. This cancel. So 2y tan inverse x upon y. So your del u by del y will be equals to only x plus this. Okay, so first answer del u by del y. Okay, so partial differentiate now with respect to x. With respect to x. So del x of this, that will be del square u del x del y. Now respect to x and x 1. Second term respect to x, y remains constant. So 2y will be remains constant. Del x of this term. Solve. Tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus whole square into derivative of x upon y with respect to x. Respect to x, y remains constant, and x is 1. So 1 plus. So here whole square LCM first of all 1 upon LCM y square. So y square here, y square plus x square 2 remaining. Here I need to make some mistake. Minus something mistake. Minus plus. Okay. So this comes to numerator. So 1 minus 2y square x square plus y square. Now LCM x square plus y square. This comes to here x square plus y square minus 2y square. So that will be x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. Okay. So del square u del x del y will be this like. Okay. So let's prove that my side here. Minus somewhere then it open. Okay, minus and minus plus anybody. Okay, it's like derivatives. Same partial derivatives, derivatives. Rules of derivatives. Next, okay, if u equals to 3 times ax plus by plus cz whole square minus x square plus y square plus z square. And you will believe a square plus b square plus c square is 1. So ABC unknown constant relation. then show that del square u del x square 2 times derivative, del square u del y square del square u del z square will be 0. Okay, so now second derivatives, second partial derivatives. So if u equals to 3 times ax plus by plus cz whole square minus this means minus x square minus y square and minus z square into open bracket. So first respect to x, partial differentiate with respect to x first time. So del u by del x respect to x. So 3 same respect to x or y whole square means what? 2x first of all. First of all 2x into derivative of this bracket with respect to x. So only a, y will be 0, when will be 0. Respect to x, y and z are constant. Y, z are constant. Other two terms constant. Respect to x, y constant. Like here, respect to x here, both constant. Respect to x here, only 2x, y square 0, z square 0. Respect to x, y constant, z constant. Constant term derivative 0. So 3 into 2, 6. Only a into this. Minus 2x. Okay, so this is del u by del x. Again, one more derivative, del square u del x square respect to x again. So 6a as it is. A derivative bracket with respect to x, a into 1 a, b will be 0, c z will be 0. 2 respect to x, x. So this will be what? 6a square minus 2. Okay, respect to x, 6a square minus 2. Same respect to y also now. Same technique. And respect to z. So del u by del y then now. Respect to y then. Same. So 3 into 2 into 7 first of all. 2 into 7 into derivative bracket with respect to y. This will be 0, d, this will be 0. Here, x square 0, y square will be 2y, x square will be 0. Respect to y now, x and z constant, other two variables constant. So this is 6b into bracket. Okay, this is del u by del y. Now, higher derivatives. So 6b constant. Derivative bracket respect to y now. This now 0. b, y is 1. This now 0. So this will be your 6b square minus 2. Okay. Second equation. This first equation respect to x, respect to y. Now respect to z. Similarly. With respect to z. Z then weight technique 3. First of all 2 into same bracket. Derivative bracket now 0, 0 and this c now. In here x will be 0, y will be 0, z will be 2z. X will be. So this is 6c and bracket. So second derivative 6c. Now derivative bracket, this will be 0, this will be 0, c and this 2. So total 6c square minus 2. Okay, so we have all three values. Now adding these. So adding equations 1, 2, and 3. So del square u, del x square, del square u, del y square, del square u, del z square. So what first? Okay, first term 6a square minus 2, 6b square minus 2, 6c square minus 2. Okay, 6 common, a square, b square and c square, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6. Now given to you 6, this a square basically given to you 1, given to you 6 minus 6 0, given to you a square plus b square plus c square will be 1. So answer is now. Okay, henceforth